Hi everyone. Today, we're diving into a name that's making big waves in the world of cybersecurity, Atmos. If you've ever worked remotely, you probably know the frustration of using a slow, clunky VPN just to check your email or access a company file. But for IT teams, the problem is bigger than just speed, it's about security. Traditional VPNs are like giving someone a physical key to your front door. Once they're inside, they can walk into any room they want. That's where Atmos by Axis Security comes in. Now part of HPE Aruba Networking. Atmos is a cloud-native platform designed to replace those old systems with something much smarter, Security Service Edge, or SSE. Let's break down exactly what that means. To understand Atmos, you have to look at it as a Swiss Army knife of security. It combines four critical technologies into one single dashboard. First, there's ZTNA, or Zero Trust Network Access. This is the heart of Atmos. It ensures users only see the specific apps they need to do their jobs, not the whole network. Second is the Secure Web Gateway. Think of this as a filter that protects your employees from the wild west of the internet, blocking malicious sites before they can do damage. Third is the Cloud Access Security Broker. This monitors data moving between your company and cloud apps like Salesforce or Slack, making sure sensitive data doesn't end up where it shouldn't. Finally, there's digital experience monitoring. This is a game changer for IT teams because it allows them to see exactly why a user's connection might be slow, ensuring productivity stays high. So, how does Atmos actually work? Unlike a VPN that creates a tunnel into your office, Atmos acts as a smart broker. Imagine a high-tech bouncer at a club. When a user tries to access an app, Atmos checks three things instantly. Identity. Are you who you say you are? Context. Is your laptop healthy? Are you logging in from a suspicious location? Policy. Are you actually allowed to see this specific data? Only if all three check out does Atmos create a temporary, one-to-one connection. To everyone else, your internal network remains dark and invisible to hackers. Let's look at how this changes things in the real world. Example 1. Replacing legacy VPNs. If a hacker steals a VPN password today, they can often jump from a user's laptop to your most sensitive servers. With Atmos, there is no lateral movement. The hacker is stuck in a digital room with no doors. Example 2. Third-party access. Imagine you hire a freelance developer. You don't want to manage their personal laptop. With Atmos, they can access your dev tools through a simple web browser. No software installation required, and no risk to your network. Example 3. Stopping shadow IT. We've all been tempted to use a random file-sharing site because it's faster. Atmos identifies these unsanctioned apps and can automatically block a user from uploading a confidential spreadsheet to an unsecure personal account. Finally, think about mergers and acquisitions. When one company buys another, connecting two massive networks usually takes months. With Atmos, you can connect employees to the apps they need across both companies in a matter of hours, safely. Atmos is cloud-native, meaning it runs on a global web of over 350 edge locations. Whether your team is in New York, London, or Tokyo, they get the same fast, secure experience. In 2026, work isn't a place you go, it's an activity you do. Atmos ensures that no matter where that activity happens, your data remains safe, your network remains hidden, and your users remain productive. If you're looking to modernize your security stack and move away from the headaches of traditional networking, Atmos is a platform you need to know. Thanks for watching. Would you like me to do a deep dive comparison between Atmos and other platforms like Zscaler? Let me know in the comments.